how to get web receipts in Cash App, the new update. Now, all you need to do in order to do this is going to be to load up Cash App and click on the Activity tab at the bottom. Once you click on Activity, then here you will see all of your transactions, and if you want a specific receipt, you will click on the transaction itself and you should get a specific web receipt for that transaction. Now, another way of how we can do this is by clicking on our profile icon in the top right, then scrolling down until we see support. Here you can search for web receipt like that, and you can also do statements. So we're going to do statements here, and you want to select view payment statements. Here you will see an option access your statements, and once you click on it, you will choose the type of category for your web receipt, so account statement, and you will need to choose the date. So when was this, or when did this transaction take place? And once you choose it, then here it is going to be displayed. Once you click on it, it's going to prepare the statement. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.